I wanted to share with you today a recent find that I made. This is a Texas Instruments home computer 99/4A. So this computer was made by Texas Instruments between 1981 and 1983, and I think it originally sold for like $525 back then. And they got into like a war with another computer maker, I think Commodore, and they went into a price war, and this one eventually, both of them started selling for about $100, and then they stopped making them. So they kind of priced themselves out of business. Texas Instruments was planning to, sell this for $525, and then they would sell their extra components here and software in order to make more money. And then they kept lowering the price to compete, and still thinking that they can control the software sales by selling the computer as the unit and then charging people extra for peripherals and making the money on that, on the software and peripherals. Anyway, so this one is, as you can see here, it says 1983. There's the UPC number. Printed and assembled in the USA, with domestic and foreign components. So, and let's see over here, on one side here, it has, right here, it shows that this is 99/4A, then it's model number PHC004A. So let's go ahead and open it up here. This one, this computer was purchased in 1983, and the guy that bought it and then just put it away. So it's been opened, and you can see some wear on the box here, but inside here, everything is unused and new. Here's the AC adapter and transformer, and that's still boxed up. Then it has the packing here. It's like a foam protective clamshell. And then there's the computer still wrapped up, brand new. So the guy bought it in 1983, and here we are in 2023, and it's never been opened. So we have the 99/4A computer here. There's the back of it, still sealed. Then inside here is all the documentation that came with it, brand new, binder ready with the little holes in it. This is the user's reference guide. Then you got this computer club that you can join. Probably they were hoping to make money on that too. And a quick reference card. And your registration information card. And another registration card here. And some addendums. Things that they were finding out. Different information on each of these. There's lots of addendums here. Another one. Here's something about the cassette recorder information. You could plug in a cassette recorder as your data storage and program storage backup. This is the user's reference guide. Addendum. And let's see, what else do we have here? Video modulator accessory. A booklet, and there's, read this first. Quick steps to get you set up and started now. And here's the programming language. They had their own TI basic language that was used in these computers, as you can see here. Mentions it there, beginner's basic. So there's the all the information. This is a complete box for the TI-55 TI 99/4A computer. So there you go.